Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how can I choose what I have to do after my 12th standard, because we all have given up the exams and now we are on a dilemma that whether I should take this or I should do that. My friends and my families are pressurizing me to do this or do that. So we are going to talk about what we can actually do, or how can I actually find what I have to do or you have to do. Okay, no, this is not going to be the video of after 12. If you have taken science you can take this, or if you have taken commerce you can take this is not going to be the topic of this video. Okay, because there are many videos who tells you what to do after 12 if you are from this particular background or from arts or science or any commerce. Okay, so let's start. Let me tell you, you have given your exam. Okay, and apart from any background you are, science, commerce, arts, that doesn't matter, you have to find your niche, what you actually want to do in life, what's your major goal. Understand? Because if you will go after 12, if you will take any degree by family pressure or friends or relative, that thing will not help you in future. Okay, that will truly not help you in future, I'm telling you that. So what I can do, first of all, think about your niche, what you actually want to do in life. Okay, engineering and doctor is not the only path you can take after 12, or chartered account, or UPSC, JPSC, no, or government exam. There are many more things to do in life. There are many platforms now that you can actually work on and get a high valuable money, a high value jobs and amazing salary. Because at the end of the day, when we will see the cost that we are getting, the actual salary that we are getting to make our life easier and give our parents a good healthy lifestyle, right? So you have to find the niche first of all, and your niche can be find out by your passion, your hobbies. Okay, converting hobbies into passion is the extremely great thing, because you know about your hobbies and you are working on it from your childhood times, right? Like if you are a good painter, if you if you love painting, you can actually be a good painter, right? If you love fashion thing, if you are fashion girly, or if you love styling wherever you go out and do some kind of flaunty makeups, then you can actually be in a makeup industry or a fashion industry, right? So there are many scopes, and right now social media is the amazing platform to earn a healthy lifestyle. Okay, the most important thing is not to get pressurized. Yes, now as soon as the result will come, people, your parents and your relatives will all pressurize you to take this particular uh, university, to go at this particular college and to do this particular thing only. They will pressurize you so much, but it's your life. You have to think that what you can do actually. You don't have to listen to all of them. You are not going to listen to them, understand? You have to listen to yourself. What's in here, you have to work on that. Because they don't know now that after enrolling at that particular subject or university, how much pressure you have to take. They don't understand that. They will just give you advice, yes, ye kar lo, wo kar lo, but they don't know the pressure that you will get after enrolling here and there. At the end, if you will take the wrong decision, you will suffer a lot. Now no one, literally no one else will suffer, because they actually don't care. They just like giving advices. They don't actually care that what a child is going through. You have to ask yourself when they will pressurize you. Yes, you have time, right? You have April month, you have May, April and May, and then I think June may result aata, so you have time to think about all this thing, whether I should take this or I should take that, what I should do. You have to think about yourself. You don't have to be in a trap of other person, not even your friends. Okay, friends कहते हैं अच्छा चलो हम ये ले रहे हैं, तुम भी ये ले लो, हम लोग साथ में पढ़ाई करेंगे. No, why I will do take what you are taking? मेरा नीश अलग है, तुम्हारा नीश अलग है, हम लोग का एजेंडा अलग है, हम लोग का करियर अलग है. Then why we are going to take the same thing as you? You have to ask yourself, अगर हम ये ले लेंगे तो मेरे को क्या फ़ायदा है, अगर हम ये करते हैं तो मेरे को फ्यूचर में क्या क्या बेनिफिट मिल सकता है, अगर हम ये नहीं करेंगे तो क्या कोई नुकसान तो नहीं है, अगर हम ये कर लेंगे तो हमको सेटिस्फैक्शन तो मिलेगा, हम जो लाइफस्टाइल जीना चाहते हैं वो हमको मिलेगा या नहीं. यू हैव टू थिंक ऑल दिस, बिकॉज वन रॉन्ग डिसीजन कैन destroy your life. Okay, now you are such a young person that it's on your hand to take that decision. And when you will do all this kind of research, you have to research for sure. When you will understand your niche, your topics, you have to do some research, so that when you will talk to your parents about your particular topic, तुम्हें कुछ नॉलेज हो, तुम्हारे पास वो सारी चीज़ का इंफॉर्मेशन हो कि यस, अगर हम ये करेंगे तो मेरे को ये फ़ायदा है, फ्यूचर में मेरे को ऐसा मिल सकता है. ठीक है, और अगर आप कह रहे हैं तो वो भी सही है, लेकिन मेरा जो है उससे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट है. एंड व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इज़ माय चॉइस. ओके, ये सारी बातें तुम्हें अपने पेरेंट्स को एक अच्छी तरीके से दोनों पेरेंट्स को साथ में बैठा के करनी है, ताकि उन्हें पता तो चले कि हाँ, मेरा बच्चा ये कर रहा है और इससे शायद फ्यूचर में कोई बेनिफिट हो. बिकॉज एट द एंड पेरेंट्स मान लेते हैं, मानना पड़ता है एट एंड मान लेंगे. ठीक है, गुस्सा भी होंगे, दे विल गेट एंग्री फॉर श्योर, दे विल बी लाइक नहीं, जो हम लोग कह रहे हैं वही तुम्हें करना है, अदरवाइज गेट आउट फ्रॉम दिस हाउस, और मत पढ़ो आगे, दिस दैट. बट यू हैव टू again and again tell them the benefits of your topic, what you have to do. Okay, you have to make them understand in a polite way. No, you don't have to get angry at that point. If you are going to get angry and if they are going to get angry, then blast, bombardment will take place and कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. ठीक है, so you have to be calm when they are angry. Okay, you don't have to be angry as well and create the bombardment situation. Okay, then you have to be very very clear about your goals, that yes, I have to do this only and I'm going to work it at any cost. I hope what you want to do हो जाए, whatever your goal is, तुम उसमें चले जाओ. I really wish, finger cross, सबको सबका ड्रीम जॉब मिल जाए. I really wish that ड्रीम कॉलेज मिल जाए, ड्रीम यूनिवर्सिटी मिल जाए. और जब ये सब हो जाए ना, यू हैव टू एक्चुअली वर्क फॉर इट. ओके, वर्क विथ फुल एफर्ट एंड हार्ड वर्क. ओके, when because they are they are agreeing with your goals, then you have to also show that yeah, you are actually eligible for that particular job that you talk to them about. Okay, you have to do hard work. You have to, when they get agree with your goals and your topic, that what you have to do in life, now it's your turn to prove them right, prove yourself right. Now it's your time to prove yourself right, that yes, taking this decision was not wrong. Okay, you have to actually work hard and you have to prove yourself, and you have to make your parents proud of it. Okay, if you have any next queries, you can comment down below and I'll surely answer to that questions. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.